Nowadays have become too weak to face situation. Children nowadays are unable to handle stress. If you face failure, you need to face failure so as to stand stronger. So is it flooded with news related to children dying of suicide? I mean, there is a lot of influence of many things on child's brain, but the main influence is how the parents treat them. The child may be in a trauma, the child may be under stress, the child may be suffering multiple things, that I need to do this, I need to do that. He might be having number of things running in his mind, but the main pipeline is that you as a parent should guide them that whatever they are doing is just for themselves. Some things are temporary. You do not need to spoil your permanent things for the temporary ones. That parents play a very important role in supporting the child or bringing them under stress. Before you support, you need to tell the child that this is not the only option in their life. They have many other options which they can do if this does not survive much. They are going through, a lot of trauma, especially the NEET paper, especially different kinds of competitive exam the child needs to give, or it might be delayed, or it might have some kind of paper leak issues. It might be anything, but the main thing is that being a parent, you need to guide the child that this is not the only way, this is not the only option they have left in the life. There are many other millions of options. If they go and search for them and work for that, they might attend to move on in a very positive direction. There is not never only one thing. You as a parent need to guide children that please do not take any negative step. If you face failure, you need to face failure so as to stand strong. The child shows tendency of weakness anywhere, please do not overburden them. Or if you see the child is too strong for any kind of thing that he's handling, then also you need to support, because a strong child can also have strong intention of hurting himself. So you need to take care that the child doesn't hamper his body, the child doesn't hamper his self, the child doesn't hamper his mental peace, at least for any kind of exam or any kind of anything.